In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip images on Adobe Express. If you've ever needed to mirror a photo for a better layout, fix a reversed element, or create a quick reflection effect, flipping is a fast, precise way to get there. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what's happening as you go. Start by selecting the image you want to flip inside your Adobe Express project. Click directly on the image on your canvas so it becomes active. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it. If you're working with multiple layers, make sure you've clicked the correct image layer so the right controls appear. If your click doesn't seem to register, try clicking once on the canvas to deselect everything, then click the image again. The goal here is just to make sure Adobe Express knows which image you want to modify. Once the image is selected, look to the editing panel that appears. Adobe Express automatically shows an image editing panel when an image is active. This panel is usually on the right side of your screen and includes controls like adjustments, effects, and, importantly for us, the flip options. If you don't see the panel, it most likely means the image isn't currently selected, so give it another click. You can also scroll within the panel to locate the flip section if it isn't immediately visible. Now it's time to flip. Use the flip controls to choose between a horizontal or vertical flip. A horizontal flip mirrors the image left to right, as if you were placing a mirror along its vertical edge. This is perfect for changing the direction a subject faces, aligning visual flow in a layout, or correcting a mirrored graphic. A vertical flip rotates the image top to bottom, turning it upside down across a horizontal axis. This is useful for reflection effects, abstract compositions, or when an image works better inverted. Try each option and watch the canvas update instantly so you can judge what looks best for your design. If the result isn't what you wanted, you can flip again to return to the original orientation or simply undo with your keyboard shortcut. That's it. Select the image, let the image editing panel appear, and choose a horizontal or vertical flip. Keep experimenting until the composition feels balanced. With these simple controls, you can quickly fine-tune direction, symmetry, and visual flow in any Adobe Express project.